a fierce battle here today. It's hard to say who has the advantage at this point, Super Strikas or Invincible United.
Guys, this is the perfect time to sing my new El Matador song.
That's okay. We like the old song. Stick to the classics, you know?
El Matador! El Matador!
I'd give anything to see Super Strikas lose.
Strikas! Super Strikas!
Losing on our home ground? Invincible United dropped down another position on the Super League table.
We've got a couple easy games coming up. We'll make up our losses.
Not enough! For us to get ahead of Super Strikas on the league table, they must lose their next few games.
So, how can we make sure of that?
We need to find Invincible United's baddest fans. And by baddest, I mean best. Fanatical, ruthless, and willing to do anything.
Man, this is a feeling I will never get used to.
Yep, couldn't do it without the fans.
Hey, who scores the goals? Me or them?
Out of our way, Striker losers.
Hey, I thought we were the losers.
Oh, pardon me.
Oops, my mistake.
So sorry. Sorry you're a Super Strikas fan, I mean.
I think we found our guys.
We are ready for tomorrow's game against Colossus. They are a good team, but make no mistake about it. Tomorrow's game is only a warm-up for our match against the Azul. Of all the goalkeepers in the Super League, the Azul's de los Santos is the biggest. This is one of the many reasons the Azul are serious contenders for the Super League title.
I forgot how big De Los Santos is.
Yes, De Los Santos is big, but not as big as he cheers when El Matador score past him.
Show me. Hit the target.
El Matador come from a long line of bullfighters. Maneuvering fearlessly past large beasts is part of my family heritage.
You missed, Shakes.
No, I didn't.
I just want to make this more challenging.
We have a home field advantage for these next two matches. Maybe we could even win if my players stopped goofing around.
Too bad for Colossus. That's the first time they've come even close to scoring a goal today.
Super Strikers continue a campaign of utter havoc. 3-0 to the men in red.
So with minutes to go, we may be looking at a total walkover.
Why do I have to wear these dumb colors?
It's all part of Scar's plan, remember? We dress up as Super Strikers fans and cause trouble to make them look bad.
Huh?
Just do what I do. And remember, this is for the good of Invincible United.
Hey, this is the first time I've been to a game where Invincible United wasn't playing. It's kinda exciting.
Hi! I haven't seen you guys before.
Well,
We're from out of town.
But we're really big Super Strikers fans, honest.
So am I! Welcome to Strikerland. You're gonna have so much fun. Who's your favorite Strikers player? Mine is El Matador. I think he's so marvy. Oh, I'm Francesca, but everyone calls me Super Fran. So, you want to try out my new El Matador song? I wrote it myself.
It would be our pleasure.
Here you go. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3.
You're El Matador, whoa, whoa.
How many goals will you score? 1, 2, 3, 4!
That was, wonderful.
Ugh, that was the most humiliating thing I've ever done.
what a stupid song.
Kinda has a catchy beat, though.
Oh, how is Shakes gonna get out of this one?
Only a few seconds left.
It's time for the plan.
El Matador is the best player. He is the one all fans adore.
Get off the pitch! Record him!
Someone is booing El Matador. Has the universe gone mad?
Boo! Down with El Matador!
Nobody talks about El Matador like that. You apologize right now! Hate? Imposters! You're not Super Strikers fans!
Super League officials have reviewed the incident and imposed a 3-match fan ban on Strikerland. That's right, you heard it correctly. There will be no fans at Strikerland for the match against the Azul. Coach is here with me. Any comment on the fan ban, Coach?
I'm just sorry all our fans are losing out due to the actions of a few bad apples.
How did this start, Coach?
Apparently, a crazed Super Strikers fan attacked a fellow fan without reason.
Marvelous. Those 3 clowns followed my plan perfectly.
And the next Strikers game is gonna be a circus, but with no one there to watch.
El Matador will be hopeless without his fans.
This band stinks.
Yeah, worse than my trainers after a 2-hour run, man. It will be strange playing a home game in an empty stadium, man.
Strange and scary, especially against a traveling side like the Azul.
Ah, the ban is no problem. Remember, we score the goals, not the fans.
This is no time to be playing without the fans. I didn't think it was possible, but we have home ground disadvantage. Let's see if my suspicions are correct.
Whoa! Hey, you do a request, Coach?
I thought you might ask that.
El Matador! El Matador! Matador! El Matador!
Goal time, guys!
El Matador! El Matador!
I'm okay, everyone! I'm okay!
Recognize this sound?
It is not a sound I'm familiar with, Coach.
Well, get used to it. It's the sound of silence, and it's going to fill Strikerland tomorrow.
I can't possibly know all the Super Strikers fans, but there's something very suspicious about those guys.
I have to get to the match. Why don't you call Super Fran?
Me? And Fran? You think?
She was there. She might know something about those guys. Maybe she's the key to unlocking this whole mystery.
It's match day at Strikerland, but a match day like no other. It's as quiet as an empty stadium. I'm here with the Azul's fearsome keeper, De Los Santos. Anything to say before you run into the big empty?
Fan or no fans, the Azul have come to Strikerland to take no prisoners. And of course, the Strikas fans will just have to be more careful in future.
Enough! Enough of you! Enough of everything! Enough of saying enough! I've got to do something!
Oops! Sorry! I just came over to...
Spencer! I was just thinking about you.
You were?
Yeah, we're the only two people who can fix this.
How?
You're gonna get us into Strikerland.
I wouldn't count on it! Huh?
Hello? Nervous?
Of course not. The only fan I need is mi madre.
So where is she, man?
No, she is at home, far away. I'm okay. I'm okay.
You mean it's all a conspiracy?
Uh-huh.
To destroy El Matador's confidence.
You know El Matador.
Yep.
Really? You know El Matador?
I could introduce you. Wait a minute. Aren't those the guys?
We're legends! Because of us, Super Strikers are about to kick off with no fans in the stands!
Yay to us!
Say, aren't you guys those famous Super Strikers fans?
Sure we are.
I just wanted to apologize for all the trouble I caused at the Colossus game.
Apology accepted. Okay, thanks. We're just...
But guys, the game! Super Strikers, they need us! Oh gosh, look! Somebody almost threw out your Super Strikers gear. Seems I came along just in time. We're gonna put on a show Super Strikers will never forget.
There's a small crowd at Strikerland today.
Yeah, the players.
Huh?
What was that? I can't quite hear your fans, El Matador.
Can this be it? The return of the old El Matador?
We can only hope.
It's just not your night, El Matador. It's silent night, no?
Why? Why? What is happening to me?
Oh, El Matador seems to be in another world.
And it could cost Super Strikers big.
And Azul scores with only seconds to halftime!
I've never said these words before, but I was wrong. I need the fans.
What about all the fans at home?
I know they're out there, but I can't hear them.
Man, we need a miracle.
And if we don't get one, I'm going to have to take El Matador off.
Here comes Super Strikas!
Let's hope let's hope El Matador can improve on that first half performance.
Oh, they're going down to the Azul and down the Super League table!
Coming through!
Nice build-up from Supa Strikas.
Oh, man. It's worse than I thought. Good call, Shakes! Nothing wrong with a bit of DIY!
De Los Santos covers. It's off the post.
And straight to El Matador. He's wide open. This must be Strikas' best chance today.
I can't do this.
El Matador! I think he's finally lost it, Brenda.
He's just frozen.
This is getting bad. I am now hearing things.
I hear it too.
Really?
Mac, it's the strangest thing. I can actually hear...
Singing? Apparently, thousands of Supa Strikas fans are gathered outside Strikerland, cheering El Matador on!
How?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Finally! Looks like El Matador is back to his old self!
The fans have given him a real lift, Mac.
El Matador is the best player.
What a recovery for the men in red and the fiery El Matador!
Only you, El Matador.
Way to come back, El Matador.
See. I'll never take our fans for granted again, Lena.
And here's the team that made it all happen. Yo, Spence, over here.
Duh, but I don't want to meet the Super Strikas.
Yeah, we're too shy.
Just wait here. It's time to uncover the truth about these guys to the whole world.
Spencer, how this wonderful thing happen?
One word. Super Friend.
You wrote that beautiful ode to El Matador? You got the fans to sing for me?
Excuse me. Aren't you the Supa Strikas fan who caused all the trouble?
Lena?
Idiot! I told you to find our baddest fans, not our stupidest!